Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wina Luciana and I'm from TBI 20A. So today I will do an interview for my speaking 3 assignment with my friend Fatima. So here is the interview. Okay, so Fatima, I will ask you some question about offline versus online learning and what is your opinion about it. So first question, according to you, what is your biggest obstacle in offline and online learning?
Kalau dari saya sendiri, kalau offline sebenarnya tuh nggak ada kendalanya. Tapi kalau pas waktu pandemi kayak gini tuh kayak takutnya protokol kesehatan di kampus itu kurang, jadi tuh agak takut ya. Kalau kendala online itu kan biasanya jaringan, kuota, itu aja sih.
What are the benefits of online learning for you?
Benefitnya tuh kayak lebih tahu gitu, kayak penggunaan aplikasi teknologi yang sekarang tuh kan kalau online kita pakai aplikasi modern.
Do you prefer offline or online learning and why?
Kalau aku jujur sih lebih online karena lebih santai.
Okay.
Tapi kalau online nih kadang kurang paham gitu apa yang dijelasin sama dosen.
Alright. Are offline learning tasks harder than online learning for you?
Kayaknya iya, karena menurut saya kalau yang online nih lebih santai. Kalau offline nih kan kayak banyak banget yang harus disiapin, kayak nyiapin proyektor, pokoknya tugasnya tuh harus detail kayak gitu loh.
Okay, I kind of thinking the same thing with you. Do you agree with the statement that online learning is given more assignments than offline learning? Why?
Iya, setuju. Soalnya tuh biasanya tuh lebih banyak assignment daripada penjelasan. Terus lagi misalnya deadline tugas itu tuh kayak cepet banget, singkat. Terus misalnya baru dikasih tugas, terus ada tugas lagi kayak gitu.
Yeah, I
Kayak
agree.
banyak.
The deadline or the due dates is given short, right?
Yes.
Do you think online learning is boring?
Iya, kadang membosankan banget. Misalnya tuh kan apalagi kan cuma ngeliat layar, terus memperhatikan dosen gitu, kayak nanti ngantuk. Terus kan juga misalnya di Zoom tuh ada fitur matikan kamera, terus jadi tuh aku kadang kayak sambil ngelakuin hal-hal lain gitu sambil dengerin dosen biar nggak terlalu bosan.
Right, I agree. Sometimes, honestly, I lay down on my bed while the lecturer is explaining the material. Did the online learning that you went through improve your skills and knowledge?
Beberapa iya. Salah satunya itu kemampuan menulis saya itu bertambah saat online learning. Terus ada beberapa juga yang enggak, soalnya saya kurang paham sama penjelasan dosen karena itu dijelaskan secara online, jadi mungkin kayak kurang paham gitu.
Okay, me too. My writing skills has increased while the online learning. Do you agree that offline learning is much more effective than online learning? Why?
Ya, sangat setuju. Soalnya tuh kita secara langsung lihat penjelasan dosen, jadi lebih jelas, lebih paham.
Okay, I 100% agree with you because we can interact with the lecturer directly. Online learning involves quite a lot of social media applications. Does that bother you?
Kalau mengganggu sih enggak, tapi pas penggunaan aplikasi itu tuh kayak bikin memori cepat penuh.
Does online learning increase your study productivity?
Bisa dibilang iya, soalnya tuh misalnya kan kita dikasih tugas waktu online tuh kan ada deadline-nya yang singkat, jadi tuh kita kayak cepet-cepet ngerjain. Belum lagi ada tugas yang bikin makalah, bikin video, terus tuh jadi bikin kita sibuk, jadi kita jadi produktif.
I kinda agree with you, but sometimes in online learning, we're too relaxed in doing the assignments. Thank you so much, Fatima, for your participation in this interview. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
After the interview that I did with my friend Fatima, even though the interview was a bit awkward and kind of stiff, we laughed a lot because I'm not an expert about interviewing someone, but I enjoyed it and it was really fun. So back to the topic, like what are the biggest obstacles in offline and online learning? Like what she said, I totally agree with her answers and her opinion about it because it is very related to me, and such as obeying the health protocols, and when learning offline it is very hard sometimes and very troublesome. And sometimes too, I also miss my family and my hometown, which is kind of sad.